Okay, today I'm going to be attempting to fix the original fuel gauge on my 1929 Buick Standard 6. Let's get started. So here are the parts I ordered. Here's the line that goes from the back gas tank to the front dash, which basically carries air pressure, and the air pressure presses on a little glass tube full of liquid and that sits in this thing. And the more gas there is, the higher the air pressure, which means it pushes the liquid further up the tube, indicating the level of the gas. So let's get this dial or this gauge out of the front dash. I have no words. Okay, we've got the original fuel gauge out of the dash. You can see all the steel stick that somebody used to try to repair it. Let's fix it right. Okay, I've cleaned all that steel stick off of the glass tube and this brass tube right here. So there is what it's supposed to look like. Here is the old mount that was stuck in there. You can see why they steel sticked it. The new one is right here. I got it from Bob's Automobilia. So it appears that these two nuts hold it in place here. So this brass tube goes here while the glass tube slides down in there. On the original one, well, here it is. That's why they steel sticked it. So I got the new one at Bob's Automobilia. Anyway, there it is. Let's put this back together. Okay, it's supposed to slide in there right like this. Okay, let's put it in further. Okay, that is situated like it is supposed to be now. That's how it will look when the letters are on there. Well, the numbers and letters. Okay, here is the gas gauge now with the new repair. So now we're going to connect the air line. Okay, I just crimped this little thing on here and put this little thing over it. We're going to connect that to the back tank. Okay, let's go under the car and see if the original one is still there. There it is up there. That thin little line right there, that's it. It's still there. That right there. I guess if that's there, let's see if the original is under the dash still. Okay, the original line's been cut, so we'll just disconnect it and put a new one. Okay, I brought the new line from the back gas tank. Here it is. I went ahead and crimped this thing on and put this thing before that. Let's go ahead and put the new gauge, or the rebuilt gauge back in there, and then put the coloring in there. Okay, here is the fluid we're going to put in the gas gauge. This is specifically made for this. They still make it. Okay, and there is the liquid in the gauge right there. Now we're going to put this back on the dash and put this on to here. Okay, the gas gauge is now in the car. I'll have to open the line up and bleed it out of air to adjust the level of the liquid, but it should work. It says in these instructions that the thing in the tank should cause little if any trouble. So it should still be working after all these years, after 97 years. Okay, now the gas gauge is replaced. I've got to wait till the back tank is empty, and then I will adjust the level in there. But it lights up pretty cool right now. Watch. Observe. See?